welcome, it's here, and I've not been hanging about with it either. So, here we go. I present to you the Kawasaki Versys 1000, and I've been busy. Okay, so here's the first thing I've done. As you can see, plug, Optimate, battery's very strong into it, so I'm going to keep it that way. New connector put into here. It's just sitting free just now. Okay, so I've got it just sitting there for purposes, but if I wanted to, I can actually put the seat down on here now, and all it is you're to the negative, to the positive, and that job is as simple as that. But next job, that's a tad trickier. And to get into that, I move from this area over to this side of the bike here. And as you can see, covers off it already. I'm right into the side here, and the reason is I'm needing to use this panel here, and then I'm going to just drop the wire down here, and I'll just actually feed it, if possible, without taking this side panel off. But it looks like there's only one screw there, and then the rest of this is possibly on poppers, but let's go and see. Yep, as expected. Now there's another bit up onto this bit here, but I have enough room to do what I want, to come from here, slide through here, I'll come out here, I'll come out under here, and I'll come up the frame, and bingo, up to here, this part here at the bottom, because that is where I'm putting the module. The module for what, I hear? Well, it's the module which I've lost. There it is. So basically, it's this button here has to go in the fairing, run the wire through, and it clips into the wee box of tricks. Drop the bag. Okay, so I'll drop into this wee box of tricks, which I'm going to wait to find where to put in the back seat. So I've chose this spot here, so I'll stick it down with the 3M tape here. The wires run down, and there's this cavity here, but most importantly, right under this wire here, look, there's a space, so the other wires can be attached to this wiring loom, come under here, and these will all just sit lovely there in a bunch. That's simple, just plan it quickly. Now, there is 3 wires to put in, and they're very simply as such. Red to the live, black will go to the earth, and there's a yellow wire which has to go to a switched live to switch this box off and on for recording purposes. And that, I've found a spare block here, obviously for an extra something, but this brown wire here and the yellow wire, if I can just get it to Kobe into it, that one is a switched live. So basically, I just need to go and get a fitment to either fit into that or do it my own way of doing, and what I might actually just do is take that wire out of there and just attach it to that properly. So now that's all explained, let's just jump forward to see how it's all been wired up. And voila, just like that. So there's the box with the magic tricks. There's the box that goes to the 3 different supplies, earth, live and switched live. Now I've cut that quite a bit down, it only goes from there into this box here. That's all wired and hidden. Okay, the live's onto there, that one there is the live, and that one there is the earth. That's the ones that are running back to off of this wee black box here. Up this end here, you'll see this switch here. So I'll switch it on. And just like that, that's it hooked up. And when the lights flash, That's it recording, and it's recording on both the front and the back camera. So I've now on my merry little way. I've went off on a journey, and now I'm home. That's it shut down. That's it. It is as simple as that. So if you've made it this far, thank you. It has been quite an easy install. I'm going to let you see here. I'll come into here and look at that. That's the front camera. I've not got this built up at the back yet because I wanted to show you this as well. And there you go. That's the back camera. Now, another thing about these cameras that's worth mentioning is that this green line here on the top, okay, if you put that to the top, in other words, that swivels around, so the green line must be shown. You can have this at a very awkward angle, going like that, and all you have to do is make sure that that green line is pointing the way, it's pointing to where the camera's going, and it's right on the top, and that's you. You're filming and you're all set. So, that's it all done, that's it all tidied up. This has been a success as well, working on the charger. So there you go, look, there's the Optimate now, full charge on a battery. Now I can go and put the seat on like that if I want, or I can just do that, like I'm finished with it, pull it apart, and that's it, put it away. So, not get used much in the summer, because the bike will be getting run a lot in the summer, but it will be kept on the Optimate over the winter. But hey, there's loads and loads and loads of more videos to come before that. What else have I done today? Well, the cover was a bit crap. It doesn't go right down to the bottom, and to be honest with you, I can't leave my luggage on. But this cover is only for in this garage here, and it's just basically anyway until I can get this roof sorted so that there's no damp and no crap gets onto it. So apart from that, I'm quite happy. But oh, and the chain, look at my chain. Have it, you bastard. Oh, so that's it. Once I've got it outside and I get a bit of better weather, I'll do a full review on the bike. But hey, that's me. I'm planning already. Till the next one, I'll see you there.